Well, you can tell it was cold last night. I don't know if I showed the video where the water was running here yesterday, but it froze pretty good there last night. It was what, I think -10 this morning when I get up this morning. So yeah, it was, well, it's just maybe +1 in the sunlight today. It's not really all that warm. But yeah, I don't know if I showed a video. Well, I guess I showed a video of over here, the sound of the water. But it was opened up quite a bit compared to what it is now. It all frosted over last night. And that's kind of strange because the water wasn't that high. So the only thing I can think of is that there must have been like a vapor coming off of the water as it was flowing, sort of like a fog that just hovered over the water because the water would have been warmer than the air, and created this frost over the water, because that's the only logical reason for that. I did see yesterday how the ice was up there, but it was, seems to me it was clear down below it. But it's not today. You can hear some birds and stuff along with the water flowing here. I just kind of came out to see what it looked like. Boys, I still got a few rocks there I can use. There's a nice one right there. Almost looks square. So yeah, there's a few good rocks. There's one right up there. That's at the top of the waterfall. I don't know if I want to take that one or not. But that'd be a nice flat one for maybe putting down here. I checked the forecast, and Monday we're going to get a lot of rain again. Now, this actually has worked well, but I'd almost like to reinforce that a little better. I've got some rocks back there too that I was actually what I was planning on doing before was, I've got this pretty well rock ledge right here, and I was starting to I was gonna run a wall down this way. That was one of my first ideas, and I was placing rocks there. But then I was just more looking at the land and decided against that and went with building the wall, because I had noticed that there was the water was going down over the hill. So I wanted to stop that. So that's why I built the wall. But it seems this idea right here, being able just to route the water down the falls, is a better idea.